Hey there, Richard Morris, Southwest Premier Insurance. Just coming to you today because I've seen a few ads across my Facebook feed for a company called Lemonade. Lemonade does home and renters insurance, and they're part of this InsureTech industry where investors invest in technology and disrupt industries like insurance is a big one right now. But I need to give you some warnings. Lemonade does have some lemons related to their insurance coverage and pricing. I did a comparison, and their pricing isn't any better than what I have available on my own policy. In fact, a couple of things that you need to be aware of. First of all, when you quote in their platform, designed to be really easy, and it is, but it leaves out automatically some really important coverages like replacement guarantee is not an automatic coverage. So you need to be aware that you need to add that to your policy so that you have a replacement coverage. Also, some of the other coverages like liability coverage are set at minimum levels. So if you want higher coverages, which is what we recommend most of the time, you need to physically choose that. So don't just look at the bottom line price and think that you're getting a great policy, because most of the times it's going to be pretty average. Also, jewelry coverage. If you need to add jewelry to your policy, I noticed that their jewelry coverage is about twice as expensive as what is available on my own policy and with most of our carriers. So you'll pay more if you need to add jewelry coverage. Also, you'll need to check the coverages because the policy has an exclusion for swimming pools on it. So if you've got a pool, a lot of people out here in Arizona do, just know that you won't have any coverage related to that swimming pool whatsoever. So if somebody gets injured at a summertime swimming party at your home, you're not going to have coverage. Huge gap in their policy. I haven't read it in full to know if there's other gaps yet. I plan on doing so, but just beware. Lemonade, these companies, they advertise a lot. They make it seem like it's super easy and simple, but you could be getting a subpar lemon of an insurance policy. So if you got any questions, call an independent agent. We work with lots of different companies, and we can give you the right advice, get you the best policy at the lowest possible price for your insurance needs. Hope you have a great day.